The birds called woodpeckers are known for pecking holes in tree bark to find insects to eat. Most woodpeckers live in forests, spending their lives mainly in trees. They live almost everywhere across the globe, except Antarctica and Australia. Since woodpeckers are forest birds, they live mostly in forest areas. It may be taiga or tropical rainforests. Baby woodpeckers are completely helpless, naked, blind, and deaf. However, during the first months, they become covered with feathers and begin to see. They still can't fly, but they can actively run along the trunk. A year later, woodpeckers become adult birds. One of the most distinctive features of woodpeckers is their powerful bills, which are used for drilling into trees and other wooden structures. The bills are made of a hard material called keratin, which is the same material that makes up human hair and nails. The bill is also shaped like a chisel, with a sharp edge that is used to chisel away wood. In addition to the bill, woodpeckers have a long, sticky tongue that they use to extract insects from deep within the woods. Insects and their larvae are the mainstays of the woodpecker's diet, but they eat other foods too: birds' eggs, baby birds, small rodents. As omnivores, woodpeckers eat fruit, nuts, and even tree sap. Hope you liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.